In this video, we're going to go over how to add fractions with unlike denominators. So let's go over an example. Let's say I were to give you 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3, and I told you to find the answer. First, we need to recognize that this has different denominators, 4 and 3, so we can't just add it. We have to find the greatest common or the lowest common denominator. And so we can do that by finding the lowest common multiple of 4 and of 3. So if we start listing multiples, we can go 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. And then for 3, we can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now we have to find which ones match, which one is the first to match. And you'll see that there's 12 in both of them. And so 12 is going to be our lowest common multiple. And so now we have to rearrange each of these fractions to make them out of 12. So 1 over 4, to get to 12, we have to multiply the denominator by 3, which means we have to multiply the numerator by 3, because what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top, and that'll give us 3 over 12, and then 1 over 3. To get to 12, we have to multiply the denominator by 4, and we have to multiply the numerator by 4, because what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top, and that'll give us 4 over 12. And so now when we rewrite the addition statement, we can write it as 3 over 12 plus 4 over 12, and now we can simply just add the numerators, and the denominator will stay the same. Do not add the denominators. That's a very common mistake. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and the denominator stays the same, and our final answer will be 7 over 12. Now let's try one more example, but this time I'm going to get you guys to pause the video and try it on your own, and then when you come back I'll show you how to do it together. And for this example, let's go 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4. Now pause the video and try it on your own. Now that you're back, once again, we need to find the lowest common multiple of both. And so for the multiples of 5, we can go 5, 10, 15, 20. And then for 4, we can go 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So as you can see here, our lowest common multiple for each is 20. And so now we need to make each of those fractions out of 20. So with regards to 2 over 5, to make this out of 20, we have to multiply the denominator by 4. And that means we also have to multiply the numerator by 4, because what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. And then for 3 over 4, that'll equal 8 over 20. And then for 3 over 4, we have to make it out of 20. So we multiply the denominator by 5. And then we multiply the numerator by 5 to make it out of 20. And that'll give us 15 over 20. And now we can rewrite the addition statement with these two values. So we can go 8 over 20 plus 15 over 20 is going to be equal to 23 over 20. Now we haven't gone over this yet, but this here is what we call an improper fraction. And if you wanted to write it, you could keep it as an improper fraction, or you could write it as 1 and 3 over 20. Both work. Doesn't really matter. And so just remember that we only add the numerators after we get a common denominator. You never add the denominators. That's a very common mistake. I hope this video helped. Thank you.